Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical. Question is given as the expected time of completion in days for each activity of a network is shown in the figure. Now determine the critical path of this network. It is given that the scheduled completion time is 21 days. It means that the TL time for the ninth event is already given, that is 21 days. Now we have to solve this numerical. If initial time is not given, then we can assume this time as 0, that is the earliest expected time of event 1 is 0. Now we can write the earliest expected time of second event, that is 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Similarly, we can determine the TE of sixth event. It will be equals to 4 plus 6, that is 10. Now we can determine the TE for the event 3, that is 0 plus 5 equals to 5. Similarly, TE for event 4 will be equals to 5 plus 3, that is 8. Similarly, TE for event 5 will be equals to 8 plus 2, that is 10, or 5 plus 6, that is 11. So the maximum of these two will be the TE for event 5, that will be equals to 11. Now we have to determine the TE for event 7, which will be equals to 10 plus 3, that is 13, and 11 plus 3, that is 14. So maximum of these two will be the TE for event 7, that is TE equals to 14 for event 7. Similarly, we can find the TE for event 8. It will be equals to 8 plus 6, that is 14, and 14 plus 3, that is 17. So TE will be equals to 17. Similarly, TE for event 9 will be equals to 17 plus 5, that is 22, and 14 plus 6, that is 20. So maximum will be the answer, that is 22. Now schedule completion time is already given in the question, which will be equals to 21. So TL for event 8 will be equals to 21 minus 5, which will be equals to 16. Similarly, TE for event 7 will be equals to 16 minus 3, that is 13, and 21 minus 6, that is 15. So minimum will be the answer, that is 13. Now we have to determine the TL for event 6, which will be equals to 13 minus 3, that is 10. So here TL will be equals to 10. Similarly, TL for event 2 will be equals to 10 minus 6, that is 4. So TL will be equals to 4 here. Now we have to determine the TL for event 5, which will be equals to 13 minus 3, that is 10. So TL for event 5 will be equals to 10. Similarly, we have to determine the TL for event 4, which will be equals to 10 minus 2, that is 8, and 16 minus 6, that is 10. So TL will be equals to 8. Similarly, TL for event 3 will be equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5, and 10 minus 6, that is 4. So TL will be the minimum value, that is 4 here. Now TL for event 1 will be equals to 4 minus 4 from event 2, that will be equals to 0, and 4 minus 5, that will be equals to minus 1. So the minimum will be the answer, that is TL equals to minus 1. Now we have to determine the slack at each and every event. So slack will be the difference of TL and TE. So it will be equals to minus 1 here. Here slack will be equals to 0. Here also slack will be equals to 0. Now here slack will be equals to minus 1. Here at event 3 slack will be equals to minus 1. At event 4 slack will be equals to 0. Similarly at event 8 slack will be equals to minus 1, which is shown here. Now slack for event 7 will be equals to minus 1, and slack for event 9 will be equals to minus 1. Now we have to find the critical path. Now critical path is defined as that path which will join the critical activity, and critical activities are those activities which joins critical events, that is event having slack equals to 0. So we will mark these by dark line, that is this one, this one. Similarly 5 to 7, that is this one, from 7 to 8, that is this one, and from 8 to 9, that is this one. So critical path of this network will be equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. That is the critical path, and the time for completion of this project will be equals to 22 days. Now that is the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.